Capricorn, what's up? Welcome to your love reading. First, let's see the strength in reverse. So looks like there is no more holding back. Okay, someone is definitely wanting to come towards you and express their feelings, or this is someone who's giving up on a situation, okay, that they've tried to tame for a very long time. Well, we'll see once I clarify. With the judgment on your mind, maybe you want a reconciliation with the person you're dealing with. Well, this person here with the Knight of Cups, this person does have a lot of love for you, okay, and they want to come in and give you a love offer. This could also be an apology. The judgment can be final decision, or it can be a second chance, okay, we'll see. In your feelings, you're the Knight of Wands in reverse here. So yes, you have a lot of passion for this person, but right now there's this reckless energy around you, okay. You're being overly aggressive is also what I'm hearing. There are chances that you're not being able to, you have a lot of passion for this person, okay, but the thing is here is that you're either trying to get this person's attention, okay, or you feel this is this person who's trying to get your attention, okay, but it's in a very arrogant way, okay. Knight of Wands in reverse is also someone who always wants the upper hand, okay. This person with the Four of Cups here is either feeling very rejected by you, okay, and or they're just fearing rejection, okay. They want to come in towards you and they want to give you a love offer or an apology, okay. They have a lot of love for you, but with the Four of Cups here, I feel this person is fearing rejection, okay. Whilst you feel that this person is someone who's very in and out of your life, okay. And with the judgment here, either this is a reconciliation that you want, or you're just making a final judgment call. But the Hierophant as the action you want to take is, I think you're going to have faith in what you think is right. This is a commitment card, but we'll see. What action they'll take is the King of Swords in reverse. So yeah, this is lack of communication. This is someone who's just still not being authentic with their communication. Alright, tell me about the strength in reverse. What is the strength in reverse? Six of Pentacles in reverse. Someone's giving up on a situation because there is this lack of equal give and take, okay? Something's not balanced here. So looks like this is someone who's giving up on a connection they were trying to hold on for a very long time because this was a very one-sided situation. Either you feel like you were getting the bare minimum, or you just felt taken advantage of, okay? With the Moon in reverse here, there could have been something that has been revealed. Some truth has been come in the open, and that's why you're letting this go. Okay, you're no longer holding on to this situation, okay? You're just giving up. You're tired of dealing with this situation over and over again. And only because there was a lack of balance out here, okay? There was no reciprocity. Two of Wands. Why is the judgment here on Capricorn's mind? Yeah, see, Nine of Pentacles reverse. Someone wants a reconciliation with you, okay, Capricorn? Or this is you wanting a reconciliation with someone. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse is someone who wants a reconciliation, okay? Not reconciliation, but this is definitely someone who's been single for a very long time. And now they're ready to be in a committed relationship, okay? So to me, it definitely looks like someone who's wanting to come towards you for a second chance. And what this person wants is... so someone definitely you're dealing with, okay? Capricorn, could be you, could be them. But someone definitely you're dealing with who's always wanted to be... whose focus was always on their own independence, very focused on their financial abundance, etc. Okay, but now this person wants a second chance with you, and this time they wanted to be very, very committed to you. Okay, what's the Knight of Cups here? What is the Knight of Cups? Three of Wands in reverse. So Knight of Cups and the Three of Wands in reverse. Looks like this person has a lot of love for you, Capricorn, okay? You want a second chance. You're finally wanting to get into that couple zone, you know, where you want to be with this person here. This person looks like they have a lot of love for you, but again, they're fed up of waiting for you, okay? I think this is this person giving up on the situation. They're fed up of you giving them what they deserve, okay? They're fed up of you not giving them the attention, not giving them what they deserve. They're lacking the attention, you know, they feel neglected by you, etc., okay? This person could have waited for you for a very long time, but you're turning your back. They're turning their back to this situation. Only if I could talk. Alright, why is the Knight of Wands in reverse here in your feelings? Four of Swords in reverse, okay? What's this about? Five of Swords reverse. You definitely want a reconciliation with this person, okay? You see this person who walked away from the mind games that you were playing, whatever, whoever could have played mind games. You could have been on a break, okay? I see a lot of withdrawal energy, okay? Retreating, no communication is what I'm getting between you both. This person here, okay? This person wants to move forward with you, okay? But right now there's a lack of forward movement here. But there is definitely an intention of wanting to come out of isolation and talking to you, okay? You definitely want to talk to this person. This person in their feelings is the Four of Cups here, okay? They're bored, completely bored because things have not moved forward and they're giving up. Why is the Four of Cups here? So there's no movement here, right? Four Cup, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, they're literally bored, and I think with the Two of Pentacles, this person is still like in the Eight of Pentacles in reverse here. This person is not putting any work right now, okay? Either they see you as someone who's not putting in the effort and work towards them, okay? Or this is this person who's just not working on this relationship, okay? And I think this person is in two minds right now. They're trying to juggle a situation. They're trying to juggle a decision of whether they want to still wait for you or should they just move on, okay? But mentally, in their mind, they've already moved on, okay? Again, the love is there, but they're just going to go find the love somewhere else, probably, because they're fed up and sick of waiting. They're in a very low vibrational place, okay? Why is the Hierophant here? Why is the Sun here as the mutual energy? You both want happiness. You both want growth here. See, Page of Pentacles. You both want to invest into this connection, okay? One of you probably even more. So it looks like this person, Capricorn, you want to invest into this, okay? With the Page of Pentacles and the Sun here, you both see each other as their sun, as their happiness. You both want to expand, okay? You both want to grow together. King of Cups. There's so much love out here, but the love is just not being expressed. That's what I'm hearing, okay? Why is the Hierophant here? The action that Capricorn will take. Five of Cups in reverse. You're moving forward. See, that's what I'm saying. You're being very committed to what you think is right, okay? So I feel, Capricorn, that you probably want commitment from this person out here, okay? Or this is the action that you're going to take. You want high levels of commitment with this person with the Five of Cups in reverse and the Ten of Cups at the bottom of the deck. I feel you're moving towards this person, Capricorn, okay? Because you're moving forward. You're no longer crying over spilt milk. Okay, you're coming out of that energy of where things were hopeless, you know, a lot of could have, would have, should have kind of energy, you know, where you thought you could have handled things differently. No more moping, you're getting over it, okay, and you're wanting to rebuild with this person. This is also reconciliation. And with the Hierophant here, the action is that you're wanting the Ten of Cups, the happily ever after with this person, okay? And that's the action that you're wanting to take towards this person here. What is this person's actions? Why is the King of Swords in reverse? This person's very angry with you. Why is the King of Swords in reverse? Someone's being an asshole or a bitch out here. Why is the King of Swords in reverse here as the action that this person will take towards Capricorn? The Empress, yeah, they don't give a shit to you. They don't give a shit to you. This person realizes their worth, their value, okay? With the Six of Cups here, this person has a lot of love for you, okay? They have a lot of good memories with you, and I think that's how they want to keep it. But the thing is that because they don't have any movement from you, right? Which is, I agree, because the Knight of Wands in reverse, you feel the need, okay, to talk to this person here. But you're just not moving forward. You're taking forever. You're taking forever to move towards this person, to give this person that offer of stability, okay? This person's fed up of waiting, okay? They could have strength. They could have held on to this situation, trying to tame the situation, you know, trying to tame the emotions. Like, it'll happen. It's okay, you know, let it go, let it flow, trying to surrender. But they're giving up finally. They're fed up of waiting, you know, they're in their mind, they're in two minds right now. You still have an opportunity, Capricorn, if you still want to get towards this person, or cross-watch, or whoever this is for you. Someone's just ready to give up on the situation, okay? They're almost at the brink of it. Because there's no movement, okay? Things are stagnant. They're getting bored of the situation. And with the Empress and the King of Swords in reverse here, this person's just not ready to communicate with you, okay? They're cutting you off. They're being very cold, icy, detached. Maybe this is how they think you're behaving, or this is how they are. That's the energy they are in. And with the Empress here, they're very focused on themselves. Very focused on themselves. Honestly, I'm getting they don't give a shit to you, Capricorn. Why is the Page of Swords in reverse as the likely outcome? So again, a lot of stalking, but no communication. Why is the Page of Swords in reverse here? Wheel of Fortune. Oh baby, that's a turning point. And the Sun. Damn, you have the Sun in the mutual energy and the Sun out here with the Three of Pentacles in reverse at the bottom of the deck. So yes, there is, I think that this person is coming towards you, okay? Yes, they're going to wait. They're spying, stalking from a distance. They're looking at you, trying to do their research, okay? But I feel that finally there is going to be a turning point with the Wheel of Fortune here, okay? I think this person is waiting for the right time to come towards you, okay? But that right time is going to come because we have the Wheel of Fortune in your outcome here. With the Sun here at the bottom of the deck, there is going to be clarity. There is going to be illumination, okay? If you're left in the dark, if there is no communication, it's all going to come out in the open, okay? And this person is coming towards you. Sorry, Capricorn, you're going towards this person. But again, today I did 2 readings and both of them were like, the energies were flipped, but whatever, take it how it resonates, okay? So yeah, Capricorn, if you want this person to come towards you, they are, okay? It's going to take some time. This person wants high levels of commitment with you. Otherwise, this is a Capricorn wanting to offer something like this to the person they're dealing with, okay? This person, mentally, they have given up on you, okay? They have a lot of love for you, but they've given up on this. 4 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles. They're still juggling the idea of whether they want to completely label this as a missed opportunity, okay? They're still holding on, okay? They're still waiting. They're still waiting. That's that very energy of waiting and watching. But 4 of Cups, I feel out here is that this person is bored. They're waiting for an offer to come in. I feel by the time you come in to give this person an offer, they're just going to be so disinterested. You know, because they're so focused on what didn't work out in the past, they're not being able to see the other opportunities here. Yeah, I feel when you come in with this opportunity here or with this offer here, right, this person's going to be in 2 minds of whether they want it or not. They're going to weigh out the pros and cons here. But with the Empress here, for sure, this person is definitely so focused on their growth, expansion. They're nurturing themselves, okay? They love themselves. They realize their self-worth, their value. You know, you're dealing with someone who's very, very immature, Capricorn. Or you're dealing with someone who's very mature. Okay, whatever. But that's what it is, Cap. So I hope this reading resonates with you. Do leave your comments below. Like, share, subscribe if this resonates. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.